Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be taking you on the popular song that everyone would love to sing in the church today, which is You Raise Me Up, okay? I'm going to be breaking down the chords, the note and everything. So if you're a beginner, you can pay attention to this tutorial, and at the end I believe you can be able to play it on your own, okay? Now I'm going to be taking the song on key F, okay? Let me write down the note for you. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, do, mi. Okay, now let me go straight to the song without not wasting time. First of all, I'm going to play the song and sing. Then after, I'm going to break it down. Okay, so pay attention. I am there and do my soul so when I was gone and my heart wasn't so I am still aware inside until you come and still my life. Let me take it again, okay?